Hello, you beautiful being. It's so nice to see you. We've all been cooped up in isolation for the last couple of weeks and you're probably feeling a little bit stir crazy by now. So I thought, what better opportunity to get a little bit creative with each other. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your selfies to the next level, and all you're going to be requiring is a smartphone. Android or iPhone is totally fine, a place in your home like a lounge room, a dining room, or your bedroom even, and a cool outfit that you want to photograph yourself in. I got this jacket from an op shop the other day and I thought, hey, I want to take a photo of myself in it. So come along with me. I'm going to take you into my dining room and I'm going to show you a quick little process of how I would take a selfie on my phone. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are in my dining room now. I decided that I want to take a full body shot of myself in this little corner here with my sideboard. So I had a couple of things on the top there which I just removed, and I also usually have my dining table here. So I've just kind of pushed that to the side and it'll actually be where my phone will be going on top of. So you don't need a tripod. You can literally use a box and some books and just kind of, yeah, makeshift your own little thing to hold your phone steady when you're taking the photo. So no tech needed. Except the phone, obviously. So I don't really like where the rug is, so I'm just gonna pull that back and have just a plain wood floors. Yeah, another tip when you're getting dressed, choose an outfit that's a little bit contrasty to the environment in which you're photographing, because it allows a little bit more dynamism in your images. So, you know, for example, this outfit, it's pretty loud compared to the muted tones that I've got here in this little corner, but it's going to be really good when I take the photo because then it allows a little bit more focus on me in the image. So now I'll show you how I set up my phone to take photos. When it comes to taking photos with your phone, you are totally welcome to use the inbuilt camera app that actually comes with the phone, or you can use an app that I like to use on the regular, which is called Camera Plus. So here you can actually see what the interface looks like on Camera Plus. It's really amazing. It just kind of helps you to have a little bit more control over how you take your photos. And let me know in the comments if you actually want me to make another video that shows you all about ISO, shutter speed, aperture, that kind of thing, which will give you a good basis to even have more control over your images on your phone. But for now, I'm going to just show you what is a really simple way to set up this particular app. It has a thing called horizon level, which I think is a really great idea for people if they have a little bit of difficulty with balancing their images and making the horizon line level. So if you just want to switch that on, it's really handy. If you go down to advanced controls, I would suggest keeping the full manual mode for the exposure, and also with the white balance mode, keeping the presets clicked. So then it kind of has a little bit of the color temperature predefined. So then you can just choose from those options. Always show your display advanced controls, because that's going to give you a little bit more control over everything. And I really like to have live exposure clicked on, just so then you can kind of see what's happening in the image. Oh, and one more thing as well, if you go down to the quality and format area, the best option in this particular app for your image quality is clicking on TIFF. You can choose JPEG if you want to keep your image files a little bit smaller on your phone, but I like to choose TIFF because it's a really, really high quality image, and it means that you can either edit it on your phone or you can take it over to your computer and you have a lot more flexibility with editing the image. And also raw images, I would switch that on. It's just going to give you another kind of copy of the image that can be developed again if you want to. So yeah, click on the Save Combined TIFF and RAW and just save that. And of course, when we're taking photos of ourselves, we're going to switch on self-timer. So just press the plus button and it'll give you the option for self-timer 5, 15 and 30 seconds. So you can see here that I am just aligning my image. I'm going to be placing myself in the bottom right corner. I'll be using a technique called the rule of thirds, which is using either of these positions to place the main subject matter in your image. And I'm personally going to be placing myself just in this area of the image. All right, let's get shooting. When you're taking photos of yourself, experiment with different positions of your hands, different ways you hold your legs and turning your hips and your shoulders. And if you feel inclined to, you can even play around with levels.
One eternity later.
So this is the final image and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I ended up editing it in VSCO, which is an app you can download on your phone. Most people know about it, but if you don't, it's a membership-based app that allows you access to a whole bunch of different filters and editing tools, which can really make your images pop that much more. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video about how I personally use VSCO. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you click that like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be uploading content in the future around the topics of photography, aesthetics, spirituality, and self-development, and I'd love to have you on the journey with me. Stay healthy and vibrant, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.